Right now, the first FEMA-run vaccination site in the Mid-Atlantic is busy taking patients. Residents in Delaware can drive to Dover International Speedway, and they can receive their second vaccine doses there. And my colleague NBC's Gary Gumbach is there. He's got more on all this. So let's talk about how quickly, I mean, we are talking about a speedway, right? So how quickly are officials able to get people through those lines, Gary?
So, Alex, it's about a 10-minute process from the time they pull up at the registration to check in. They wind through all of these cones and head up right over here to get the vaccine themselves. It takes about 10 minutes, but 10 minutes is well worth the wait for a lot of these folks who got vaccinated, as you remember, originally in January, and this is now their second dose. And this is something that they weren't entirely sure was going to happen because Delaware has such a significant gap in between the first dose and the second dose. It's about a 90,000 dose gap, and it's simply because of supply, but that's where FEMA comes in. FEMA put this on. This is 200 folks from FEMA from around the country. They brought the funding, they brought the materials, and of course the health department brought the vaccines. I spoke to Governor John Carney, who was here touring the event site, and he talked about FEMA's impact with all of this. So talk about the impact of FEMA here. Would Delaware be able to do this without FEMA's help?
Not to this degree, no. FEMA's help is huge, and it's symbolic in that it's that partnership between the federal government and the state government working together. Those extra resources enable us to do a big operation where we're going to do 20,000 second doses over the next several days. They don't have to wait in line a long time, as we've learned a lot. We've learned how it doesn't work so well. So having our FEMA, our federal partners here is really a big deal.
Something officials keep telling me here in Delaware is that the manpower exists. I mean, you can see them, Alex. The manpower exists. And they could, with this manpower, they could be vaccinating 2.5 times the number of people they are right now. They just simply don't have the vaccine.
I'll tell you, though, 10 minutes is not bad start to finish. That's pretty good. Gary Gumbach, thank you so much.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.